Another day, another, ano ba yun? Okay, ulit day, another hanap buhay ulit guys. So let's go! Akong magpunta ng USPS. Sobrang tayo ng mga package. Kung buhay Amerika guys, super busy. Kailangan dito matuto ka lahat. Okay, let's go! Ayun na nga guys, kukuha mo na ako ng declaration. Susulatan muna natin itong mga papers, documents, goes to Denmark. Yan, fill up pa natin siya. Busy na naman tayo guys. Okay, and then call ko si anak ko, tulog pa yun. Grabe ang tulog oh, alas 2 na. Ha? Grabe ang tulog mo, gising ka na. Sakit kasi ng katawan ko eh. Gising ka na guys, kain muna kami dito sa paborito naming Govni Chicken. Dine in. Ha? No, we're gonna sit over here. Yeah. Okay, what do you want to eat? Half. Sige, half. Half, original half. Ito masarap. Paper crispy. And then rice snack, that's it. Ito pag kinain mo talagang crispy siya. Ayan siya. Oh. Sarap.
Parang bahay.
Ha? Parang bahay nga. Lutong bahay talaga siya as in. Ayan siya. Kalimutan niya yung tubig. Oo nga, kasi mahirap mag-live walang tubig. Ayun. And then, dala-dala pa rin ang gentlewoman ni Anakis ko. At saka ang tag nito na, yung sikat na, lolo. Lalabo, ano ba? Hindi ko alam, lalabo o lelebo, I don't know. I forget. Yung new nila. Ay, ito yung new. Hi! This is so nice. Look at this. This is so nice. Di ko nga, 50% off. New collection, 50. Here's that's from Arnie.
Oh, thank you!
No, this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a last. Yeah, I need 2 of these. 70% off, right?
So, yes.
Oh my God, this is same one. Hala, they are lucky to get them.
Yep, $42.
$42. Ayun guys, nag-umpisa na siya sa pagla-live.
Ano ba itong kasama ko guys? Puro vlog na lang. Ano ba yung vlog niya? Ayan.
Guys, patapos na kami at kukunin ko muna yung car ko. Saan ngayon dito banda, no? And then, yeah. Anyway guys, thank you very much for this for this vlog, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Hi. A day in my life, guys. This is my life. Bringing all these things to the app. Abay ko, Lord Jesus, ang bigat. This is the life after life. Dadalhin is a sorting. Whew! Ang bigat, super. Yung mga namay yung mga pantalon, guys, at super bigat. Super.